Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about automated driving system. It's a Matlab based approach by using automated driving system toolbox. Introduction to automated driving system toolbox in Matlab. By using this toolbox you can simulate, design and test ADAS and autonomous driving systems. What is automated driving system toolbox? Provides algorithms and tools for designing and testing ADAS and autonomous driving systems. We can automate ground truth labeling, generate synthetic sensor data for driving scenarios, perform multi-sensor function, and design and simulate vision systems. We can generate driving scenarios and simulate object lists from radar and camera sensors. Then automated driving system toolbox supports multi-sensor fusion, development with Kalman filters, assignment algorithms, motion models, and a multi-object tracking framework. Algorithm for vision system design include landmark direction, vehicle direction with machine learning, including deep learning and image to vehicle coordinate transforms. Here we are going to see one example: sensor fusion using synthetic radar and vision data. This example shows how to generate a scenario, a simulated sensor directions, and use sensor fusion to track simulated vehicles. Then the main benefit of using scenario generation and sensor simulation over sensor recording is the ability to create rare and potentially dangerous events and test the vehicle algorithms with them. Scenario generation comprises generating a road network, defining vehicles that move on the road, and moving the vehicles. In this example, we test the ability of sensor fusion to track a vehicle that is passing on the left of the ego vehicle. Then the scenario simulates a highway setting and additional vehicles are in front of and behind the ego vehicle. Then this is a first step we are going to generate the scenario. The scenario generation comprises generating a road network, defining vehicles that move on the roads and moving the vehicles. First we start with defining a empty scenario. This is a Matlab function to define a empty scenario. Then this is a Matlab function to add a stretch of 500 meters of typical highway road with two lanes. The road is defined using a set of points where each point defines the center of the road in 3D space and a road width. This one. This is for 500 meters typical highway with two lanes. Then the road width and also with the road in the 3D space pattern. Then the next step is you have to create the ego vehicle and three cars around it. One that overtakes the ego vehicle and pass it on the left, one that drives right in front of the ego vehicle, and one that drives right behind the ego vehicle. This is a function, Matlab function used to create ego vehicle that travels at 25 minutes per second along the road. Then next statement is add a car in front of the ego vehicle. Then add a car that travels 35 miles per second along the road and passes the ego vehicle. Then next one, add a car behind the ego vehicle. Then next step is to stimulate a ego vehicle that has 6 radar sensors. The ego vehicle has 6 radar sensors and 2 vision sensors covering 360 degrees field of view. This is the sensor. The 6 sensors are there. First step, front facing long range radar sensor at the center of the front bumper of the car. This is placed in the first one. Then front facing and rear facing and rear left and rear right. In this manner we kept 4 radar sensor here. Next one, front left facing and front right facing in the short range sensor radar at the left front wheel, here at the right front wheel. Then front facing camera located at front windshield. Also another 2 vision. These are all 2 vision cameras. The first vision camera located at front windshield, and the second vision camera is located in rear facing camera located at rear windshield. These are the functions, Matlab functions are we are going to implement this. Then create a tracker. The third step is create a tracker. Create a multi-object tracker. This is the function, Matlab function to track the vehicles that are close to the ego vehicle. The next one, the tracker use the init sim demo filter. We can previously we can discuss about the Kalman filter. This is a init sim demo filter supporting function to initialize a constant velocity linear Kalman filter that works with position and velocity. Here the tracking is done in 2D and the sensor return measurements done in 3D. The motion itself is confined to the horizontal plane, so there is no need to track the height. This is a Matlab function to create a tracker. Here one more thing, create a display and return a handle to the bird's eye plot. We are going to see the output in the form of bird eye plot. This is the function to get the view of bird eye plot. Then this is the output scenario of our simulation of synthetic radar and vision data. Here it shows the vehicle movements, just chase camera view. This is the top view. Then bird eye plot view. Bird eye plot view, you can see the radar fusion of sensors, and you can see the road tracking along with the vehicles. Here this is a conclusion of this example simulation of synthetic radar and vision data. This example shows how to generate a scenario, simulate sensor detections, and use these detections to track moving vehicles around the ego vehicle. We can try to modify the scenario, road, or add or remove vehicle. We can also try to add, remove, or modify the sensors also. Previously we are using six number of radar sensor and 2 vision camera sensors are placed in the vehicle. We can modify the sensor, you can add or remove the sensors, or also you can modify the tracker parameters by using this Matlab algorithm. This is an example of this synthetic radar vehicle processing using this automated vehicle toolbox by using Matlab. Thank you.